Hi guys, it's Cam from Exteriors, just showing you what the lads have been finishing this week. It's not often you see me ruin my hair for a video, but just so you can see what they've been doing, I'll do it for you now. Right, we're with the main man Mike here. It's been his first big project for Exteriors. Mike, how's it gone?
It's gone really well. Weather's been perfect. We've managed to get everything done that needs to be done. We've just got the last section to do now, and that's we're already finished then.
Perfect. I don't know if anyone can spot it. The truck is here in the car park. We're going to go up and see Mike in action now, and we'll see you at the end of the video.